Meet the new Interstate AGM batteries, which exceed other AGM batteries in battery life, power, and performance. Its two-in-one combination, high cranking power and extreme deep cycling, delivers 2 to 3 times the life of other batteries. What makes this possible is our pure matrix power design, a combination of 99.99% pure lead and ultra-thin plates. Let's take a look at the ingenious process that allows our AGM line to deliver its unsurpassed power and long life. We start with a chill casting process unique to batteries with pure matrix technology. 99.99% pure molten lead is chilled and solidified as it runs across cold processing drums to produce 1 millimeter thick finished lead strips. The strips are cut for the specific capacity of the battery, and a laser scanner confirms the thickness. The chilled casted strips travel through a perforator, punching a custom grid pattern into the strip for oxide application. The strips are kept under constant pressure to prevent bending or degradation. A scientifically tested mix of oxidized lead, acid, and water creates a paste that is applied to our perforated strips where the electrical energy is chemically stored. Pasting paper is applied to each strip to avoid sticking and are then cut into plates. Each plate is weighed to monitor the thickness, which is critical. Any plate outside the maximum and minimum weight standards is removed. Next, the positive and negative plates are assembled together with absorbed glass mat separators. The plate assembly is 28% larger than the battery container, so it is compressed to fit the container. This compression produces 28% more cranking power and 40% more reserve capacity than spiral cell designs. The encapsulated plate assemblies are moved to a robotic subassembly area where inner cell casting and posts are attached. The lead castings and posts are very large and capable of transferring power with high efficiency from the battery into the vehicle. Then, the entire plate subassembly with its castings is compressed into the container, resulting in a battery with high vibration resistance. The inner cell connectors are then pre-positioned to prepare for welding, and a robotic high-pod tester is used to measure the integrity of the castings. At the welding station, we robotically weld each connector using a high current for maximum precision. To cover the battery, the lid and container are heat fused together for a liquid airtight seal. The lid has a lead outer terminal shell for the SAE terminal, and the casting on the lead post comes through the hole. Plasma gas cleanly burns the outer lead ring onto the casted terminal, leaving no impurities. In the next step at the acid fill station, acid is dispersed into the acid reservoir chamber and is pulled into the battery and absorbed by the AGM separator pads, creating a non-hazardous and non-spillable product. It has been nearly 2 weeks from the time we first melted lead in the chill casting station to the completed acid-filled battery. It is now time for formation, where we bring the battery to life by electrically charging and discharging it over a period of time, activating the oxide with the acid. To ensure maximum performance, we use a high discharge rate tester as a final quality control check. Each battery is tested for full specification and Interstate AGM performance standards. The computerized test applies a 1400 amp load. Only the best performing batteries are sent for shipment. The Interstate AGM batteries are all about long life and performance. It has 3 times the life of conventional batteries and 2 times the life of other AGM batteries. Every step in our highly specialized process is essential to the battery's trademark unique 2-in-1 performance, delivering high cold cranking and extreme deep cycling. This is what makes the Interstate AGM an outrageously dependable battery made for today's high accessory vehicles. No battery lasts longer.